What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today is the Iceyyyboyz meet. Today's Iceyyyboyz meet, and hopefully I'll see you guys tonight if you guys watched the last vlog and follow me on Instagram. It will be at 8 p.m. so I hope to see you guys there. And on top of that, I got something in the mail for you guys. Like I told you guys in the last vlog. Oh, hold on. I need to catch my breath. I've been running around. Fucking open this shit. What do you guys think it is? Made in China. All my shit is Chinese. Chrome. Yes, it's the shift knob. And let's see how it looks. I actually got the same exact brand as the one I have in here. It is called the 6-speed. It's like a Honda brand, but it's actually really comfortable and I love how it looks. So I got the gold because I used to have the gold setup. And let's take it off first. For the manual IS300s, the threading for the thread pitch for the shift knob is 12 by 1.25, and then I think the automatic is 12 by 1.50. So I think, yeah, so they gave me an adapter with it. That's what that. Oh shit, I gotta get a flathead. I got this crusty ass one. Some pliers. Let me see. There you go. So this is just an adapter for the shift knob, and I'm pretty sure the threading on the actual shift knob is actually bigger. See? I should put that back on. But let's open this. Jeez. Zoomed in. Hey, full chrome. Chrome to your dome, matching everything like always. Let's take this out of the bag. Woo! Damn, this thing is super nice. Oh, what the fuck? How come everything I'm getting is chipping? It's a fucking chip right there. You guys can see it. Oh yeah, right there. But dude, overall it's clean. Just like this one, but I put a Moon Eye sticker on it. Super clean. Doesn't come with an adapter. So thank the Lord that damn, that's weird because on the threading it said 12 by 1.25. Hopefully the adapter fits. So let's see if it fits. Oh, great, now I gotta put it back on. Oh, it fits. It fits. Fuck yes, it's on. Everything's fine. It's kind of dusty. But damn, look at that. All chromed out. Let me get out of the car and show you guys. Hey, match boys on deck. Look at that. I was gonna go with the black chrome because that would look way more cool, but I think the chrome goes perfect with the interior now. Fuck, I need to get a new seat. But hell yeah, super satisfied. This baby away. Till next time. Goodbye, gold. Hell yeah. Here's a good last look of it. Hell yeah. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Do you guys like it or nah? Just let me know. But I actually really love it because it's going well with the entire car. Hell yeah. So I'm gonna go get ready and clean the car up and actually make more stickers for you guys so I can pass them out for free. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the meet. What's up, man?
What's going on? Salad.
We're at the meet. And it's not that popping today, but the bay's right there. Cows. Everyone's rolling up right now. Brian's car. Tony. Woo! Aired out for the homie. It's the homies from OC, I believe. Super clean. It was here the last meet.
Was it?
Yeah, it was parked right here.
No, I don't remember that.
Damn, air the fuck out. This is a sick ass Accord. Oh, dude, look at the interior. Leon Hardritz. Junction Produce. Damn, those seats are fucking gnarly. Jeez. The homie Edgar's pulling up. What up, dog? What up, G? Thanks for coming through. Go park, homie. This is my old 01, if you guys didn't know. That is my old car. Hey, the homie's pulling up. What up, bro? Thanks for coming through. What's up, bro? Hell yeah, all the IS homies. Something going down. A couple cop cars came by. There's a cop chopper right there. Sketch. Sketch. What are you looking up, Eric?
Sketch. You gotta find out what's going on. There's a bunch of sketch out here.
Hopefully nothing bad goes on. But right now, meet's pretty chill. Everyone's just chilling. Hey, the homie Albert coming through. Hey, what up? What up, bro? Yo, thanks for coming through, bro. What's up, man? Oh yeah. Chill meet. Everyone's just chilling. It's the homie pulling up. We got some Evos. What up, bro? What up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, Lana? Where's Static? Huh? Ah, oh, look at the Z coming in. Ooh, oh yeah. Hey, G-Tech Kenny. G-Tech Kenny. So done. Me, bro. Shit's clean as fuck. You know who that is?
Yeah, so what the fucking feel like?
Yeah, that one. The one we saw at Vegas?
Why would he?
Fucking Jordan. Hell yeah, all the IS homies are here. Shit, all lined up. All ISs. That's what's up. This is ugly ass. What's up, dog? Hell yeah. What's up, bro?
This guy was like smashing on the freeway, dude. We hit like 120 on the total.
You sold it to him? Did you sell it to him or the wagon?
Oh no, the wagon.
The wagon?
Yeah, I helped him with all his stuff though. The only thing I didn't help him get was the rear bumper.
Oh yeah.
The skirts, the Gannet door, the front.
You know someone's Max's car. Danny's. Edgar's. Other homies over here. All IS. Oh, we got some Civics over here. Hell yeah. Jordans. There's a lot of spots open. All the homies over here. What up, bro? What's up, y'all?
What's up, Josh?
What up, dog? Hey, what up, bro? Oh, hell yeah. It's good, bro? Fuck yeah. Mozozoku live, dog.
There was a huge scam going on about that because people were just
Your neck hurts again?
Did you fill it up? It was like $88. You filled it up like $90.
Yeah, Johnny. Clean. Damn, that shit's clean as fuck, bro. Oh yeah, I saw that. Dude, this SC. SC is fresh. I think he came out to the last meet. Shit's clean. Let's go over here. Ooh, this shit's bag, homie. That shit's sick, dude. It's like the new Infinity. What is that? I don't even know which one. Shit's clean though. 2-door. Coupe. Yeah. Q60. Damn, the rear is fucking sick. The homie Alberts. One day. Suke. Damon's RC. Shane's truck. Eric's head ass. Susanna's car. There's Ricky. Oh shit! No power steering?
Yeah, the power steering pump leaks and shit.
It's just like Cody's. Yeah. Fucking Damon. Later, bro.
Alright, brother.
Try to save. Fucking fresh.
Alright. Fuck you. No, I was gonna you fucked up, bro.
Wow. Wow.
Get that for $20.
Hell
You
yeah.
can move that rag if it's in the. If it's
Yeah.
for your shot.
Is it recording? You got a little LED strip too going on. Is it comfortable?
It doesn't feel like a seat cover at all. Like it feels like leather.
Dude, yeah, I thought I didn't even know it was a seat cover.
Yeah.
Same with the the headrest.
Yeah, the fitment was really fucking tight. Like my fingers were hurting for like a week.
Really? Dude, I love the fucking table too.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate it. If you need yours, I can get yours done, bro.
Really?
I
For the
don't do it
IS?
myself, but my homie does it.
Really?
Yeah, E60 Daddy. You ever heard?
Oh yeah, the
Yeah,
Beamer.
He does.
Look at them headlights changing colors. Shit's clean.
Yeah, it's nearly there.
Hey, should
Oh,
I
is that a
send that
wide
to him just to piss him off? Like how I pissed him off with his fog lights?
Dude, his hands sick.
Yeah, yeah, he's like, you can't make it. And I sent him mine, and he's like, fuck you.
I gotta take them off to paint.
It's too tight, homie. What's good? So everyone's leaving right now. All the homies. Shout out to the homies at from OC. From Pure VIP. Shit, look at that lifted truck over there. Hey, bro. Jazz. Scotty Pittman. Jesus, nearly almost ran me over. Hey, Johnny! Ricky painted this. This is his girlfriend's car. Fucking clean. But, yeah, it's dirty as fuck. That's my butt mark. Well, actually, that's Susanna's. But he just got new wheels. Fucking Workmeisters. Meisters. Fucking great paint. Hit him up if you guys want a quote on the paint job. But he does a very great job. He's done a couple cars. You can check out his Instagram. And this is the guy that painted the car. So hit up his Instagram. Suck a little dick! Fucking cop pulled over some homie right in front of my car. Rip. Fucking right in front of my car. Fucking wood, dude. Son of a bitch. What's going on?
That's because they got a call that people are driving hard as fuck.
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
I told you, bro. Like
Yeah.
when people leave.
Everyone's just chilling.
I just said that you know them. I told you know them.
Huh?
You know them, huh?
Yeah. Hey, I think they're handing out tickets. This fool just rolled up and he got a ticket.
For what?
Just driving in the park.
So you were getting drinks here?
Yeah, I know. That's why we did it. That's why. But because people were hauling ass, I guess someone called. But I don't know if they're handing out tickets to us too. But we haven't even moved.
No, just tell her you're getting drinks here. Ooh, the small shop. The cop said we got a call. Like a loud cars like going on the street. Oh, really? That's 4
It sucks. You can't give me a ticket, can you?
Nah, dude, what are you doing? You're a paying customer. For what? Yeah. They just want you to get to leave so they can get you out on the street and pay you for something.
Just call me if they send you something.
Man, that's some bullshit, dude.
Just dip out.
Now there's a guy in this cop car.
Yeah.
He's probably just waiting.
Yeah,
Waiting to pull me over.
one cop that walked up and like wrote down his license plate. He was talking to the other cop, and then he got in the car and walked over here. That guy in his car.
All these other cars,
Yeah, all the other cars there.
Yeah.
Should've just left it out. Because your car's black. They would just.
But they could get me for being low. Huh?
We'll have this thing back up and running, stock in 2 hours.
Right? For real.
Yeah, it already is anyway.
What?
Huh?
What'd you say? What's up, guys? Just got home safely, and the cops did not give us tickets, but one of the dudes that rolled up, I guess, I don't know if he got a ticket or not, but he got pulled over before he came into the actual driveway. As you can see, there were like 3 cops that showed up. Another squad cop car came up, but before the meet, I already showed you guys there were like a lot of cops around the area. But I guess someone called that there were like a lot of cars like racing or something, like loud ass cars driving by. So somebody probably called, and that's how the cop showed up. Thank God the cop just came up to us and was asking us like what we were basically doing, but he eventually told us to leave. He wrote down our license plate, but honestly don't know why, but probably just to see if we come back the same night. I don't know, but he told us to leave and we left. He was pretty cool, but the other cop that was writing the other guy a ticket, he wasn't that great, but just thankful that we got home safe without a ticket. I want to say thank you guys for all coming out and supporting the fam and having a great time. It was a really chill meet. Yeah, and it was cool catching up with you guys, and hope you guys like the free stickers. And yeah, not much people came through this time as the last time, but most of the IS homies came through, so shout out to you guys. You guys know who you are. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for coming. Thanks for showing your support and love to us. We really appreciate it. And yeah, I don't know if we're gonna have another meet there again, but most likely. But maybe we're gonna wait till it cools down, and maybe it was just like wrong time, like bad timing, you know. But other than that, it was a great meet. Nice talking to everyone, and yeah, that'll probably be the end of the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I'm out, guys. See you next time.